Hello dear students, I'm Meenakshi Kothiyal, your computer teacher, and I welcome you again to the online video class of computers. Children, in our previous video, we have started our lesson number 1, that is computer or machine. Okay, now before starting with the rest of the topic, let's take a quick recap of what we have studied till now in this chapter. Now children, the chapter's name is Computer or Machine. Now what is a computer, children? Yes, computer is a machine. Now what is a machine? Yes, we have studied that machines are man-made things. Machines are man-made things. Why they are man-made things? Because most of the machines are made by us. We made them. That is why it is called man-made machine. Okay, children? Now, why do we use machine? What are the uses of machine? Yes, we have studied that machines make our work easy. When we use any machine, it makes our work easy. Okay, next, it completes our work faster. Yes, children, with the help of a machine, we can work faster. Yes, within few seconds. Next, it saves our time. Now, children, obviously, when we do work faster, it saves our time. Means we have we used less time. So with the help of machine, we can work easily, we can work faster, and also it saves our time. Children, next we have studied that things are of two types. How many types, children? Yes, two types. Man-made things and natural things. Yes, children, how many types of things are there? Yes, man-made things and natural things. Yes, children, we have studied in our previous video what are man-made things. The things which are made by us. Okay, the things which we humans made. Okay, and natural things, this we will study in detail in this video. Okay, but first give me some examples of man-made things. You all must have studied about the man-made things. I asked you to do the work. I asked you to watch the video carefully. Yes, children, in my previous video I have told you what the examples of man-made things. Now just recall what are the man-made things. Give me some examples. Just recall it. Yes, you have recalled? Yes, children. So now I am giving you some examples of man-made things for a quick revision. Children, here are few examples of man-made things. Yes. aeroplane, aeroplane. bike, bike. bus, bus. car, fridge, fridge. So children, these are some examples of man-made things. These things are made by man. Okay? Now, we have studied about these man-made things. Now, let us understand about the natural things. That what are natural things? So children, natural things. THINGS, things. WHICH, which. ARER, NOT, not. MADE, made. BY, by. MAN, man. Things which are not made by man. Now children, the things which we have not made are the natural things. Means the nature has created it. The God has made it. Okay. So the things which are not made by human, they are called natural things. Can you give me some examples of natural things, children? Yes, children. Like sun. You all must have know what is the sun, children? Yes, okay. Can you think of, have you made it? Have you made the sun? No. In notebook we can make, but in real the God has made it. So it is a natural thing. Next, B-I-R-D, bird. Bird also we humans have not made. Okay, they have made naturally. God has made them. So birds are also natural things. Next, tree. Tree is also a natural thing. We have not made it. Okay. Next, tiger. Tiger is an animal. Okay, children, have you made it? No, God has made it. So, tiger is also a natural thing. So, there are some more examples which are of natural things like fruits, vegetables, elephant, animals. These all are natural things. Rivers, mountains. Okay. Mountains. M-O-U-N-T-A-I-N-S. Mountains, rivers. Okay, children. These are not made by humans. So, these are the natural things. Okay, children. Now, you all must have know what are natural things. Say it again. Things which are not made by man. Very good, children. Now, children, our next topic is how do machines work? H-O-W, how. D-O, do. M-A-C-H-I-N-E-S, machines. W-O-R-K, work. Now, children, we humans, how do you work? Yes, with the help of hands, with the help of your legs, okay, with the help, you use your body parts to do some work, but machines cannot work of their own. We humans can work of our own. Yes, children, we can write with our hand, we can kick football with the leg, but can a machine do a work? No, children. So, machines need something to do work. Like some machines need fuels to work, some machines need electricity to work, and some machine needs human power to work. Okay, so let us discuss how the machines work. Now, on fuel. Now, children, there are some machines which works using fuel. Now, what are they? Yes, children, they are car. A car needs what? Yes, petrol. Okay, so car, bike. Okay, next, bus. These are the machines. These are made by humans. So these are man-made things. Now, these machines, how do they work? Yes, children, with the help of fuels. Fuels like car, bike and bus uses what? Petrol, diesel. So, petrol and diesel are the fuels with the help of which these machines work. So, on fuel, which machines work? Car, bike, bus. Okay, children. Now, next is on electricity. Now, children, tell me the machines which works on electricity. Yes, children, the first thing is that what? Your subject, yes. Computer. So computer is a machine which works on electricity. Very good, children. Next, tell me something more. Tell me something more machines which can work on electricity. Yes, think. Yes, children. Fridge. Your fridge also works on electricity. Okay, children. Now, next, tell me some more machines which can work on electricity. Yes, children. Fan. Your television, TV. It also works on electricity. So, there are lot of machines which works on electricity. I have written only few examples over here. Computer, fridge, fan, TV. These are the machines which works on electricity. Okay. Now next comes with on human power. On human power. Now tell me, children, which are the machines who can work with the help of us? Means if till the time we are not working on it, the machine will not work. Yes, children, like bicycle. Cycle is a machine which needs human power. We use our legs, okay, for the pedals, okay. So to ride the bike, we use our legs, okay. So bicycle works on human power. Next, scissor. Scissor, catchy, is also a machine with the help. It needs our hand. The scissor will not work of its own. It needs human power. It needs us. Okay, so when we use our hand, when we move our hand, then only the scissor will move. Okay, so these are the machines which works on human power. Now, children, do you understand how the machines work? Yes, children, there are some machines which require fuels, which require electricity and human power. Okay, so with the help of these, a machine can work. With the help of fuel, car, bike, bus can work. With the help of electricity, computer, fridge, fan, TV, etc. can work. On human power, bicycle, scissor, these all are the machines which works on human power. Okay. Now you must have seen the sewing machine. Yes, children, in which we sew our clothes. The sewing machine also requires what? Human power. Okay. With the help of sewing machine, we stitches our clothes. Yes, children. Okay. So, see, children, here, see, with the help of fuel, these machines can work. Yes, children, bus, aeroplane, car, motorbike, these machines works on fuel. Next, with the help of electricity, this monitor, this table fan, fridge, washing machine, iron, this computer, these all are the machines which work on electricity. Very good, children. Now, these are the machines which require human power. Bicycle, this is scissor, this is also a rickshaw. Okay, rickshaw also requires human power. Now, sewing machine also requires human power. Now, children, do you get it? How the machines work? Yes, children. Now, what you will do, children? You will revise this chapter. You will go through the chapter. Okay, you will just look at the examples what ma'am has taught you. See, children, let's see. What are these? These are Man-made things because we humans have made it. Aeroplane, bike, telephone, iron, car, fridge, calculator, bus. These are the machines which are made by humans, which are made by man. So these are called man-made things. Very good, children. Next, these are what? These are natural things. These are not made by us. God has made it. Okay, butterfly, fruits, mountain, bird, tree, vegetables, earth. Earth is the planet on which we live. So this is also made by God. This is not made by us. So it is also a natural thing. Okay, children, it is occurred naturally. Fish. Fish is also made by God, not by humans, not by man. So it is a natural thing. Sun. Sun is also a natural thing. Now children, do you understand the difference between man-made thing and natural things? Yes. So you have to learn this. Man-made things are the things made by man. Natural things, the things not made by man. Very good, children. Next, we have studied how the machines work. These are the machines which work on fuel. And these are the machines which work on electricity. And these are the machines which works on human power. Okay? So children, do you understand this chapter? Yes. So now children, what will you do? You will go through this chapter and you will complete the questions which I'll be giving you on Padhe Bharat. Okay? Now, write down the answers very carefully in a very neat and clean handwriting. I will check your work through mails, okay? And be regular in sending your mails on time, okay, children? Because we will score you marks for that. We are keeping records of your homeworks. So, just be regular. Send your mails on time, okay? And those who have problems in sending mails, they can come to school, they can ask teachers, okay? Or they can seek help from others so that they must have know how to send mails. I have just come to know that most of the parents have difficulties in sending mails. They have problems in sending mails. Their wards are working on time, but they are not able to send the mails on time. So, children, your parents or you can come on school to learn how to send the mails, or you can seek help from others. Okay. So, children, I just hope that you all have understood today's topic. Now, children, go through this chapter, read out the things which have been given in your lessons, and make a habit of reading at home, completing your work by yourself. Okay, children, and watch the video very carefully. Again, I am telling you that you have to watch the videos carefully. You have to see the things, whatever has been written on the board by the teacher. Okay, so children, I just hope that you all have understood this topic. We have done with this chapter. Okay, in my next video, I'm going to tell you the answers. We will discuss the exercises, question answers on the board. Okay, so you all must have been prepared with the pencils and books. Those who have not bought their books till yet, just go and buy it as soon as possible. Okay, now children, if you are not finding any answers, don't worry. In next video, I am telling you all the answers. But before that, you all must have practiced to write down the answers of your own. I will check the mails. Okay, so children, we will be meeting soon in our next video. Till then, stay safe and stay home.